Welcome back. This is the third video in the series. I'm going to explain to you how to calculate kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy following the law of conservation of energy. Now, in the last video, we calculated total energy. Let me go ahead and write that at the top. Total energy, E, total, T-O-T-A-L. That is equal to 0.4312 joules. Let me add my joules off to the left. There we go, perfect. That's our total energy, which happened to be our gravitational potential energy at the top. Now things act a little bit different as we go down the device. So let me explain to you how to calculate gravitational potential energy at location 2 as well as kinetic energy at location 2. So one thing we all know how to do so far is calculate gravitational potential energy when given a certain height. So that's kind of what I showed to you before, and you guys practiced this last week, so I'm just going to quickly calculate it without showing guess, but I'll show you how to find kinetic. It's a special trick. So get our gravitational potential energy at location 2. I take my mass, 0.04, times gravity, 9.8, times the height at that location is 0.8. That would give me 0.3136 joules. So that's something we can all do, is calculate gravitational potential energy based on height. So it might not be a bad idea to do that at all 5 of your locations. Now, how the heck do we find this kinetic energy? We don't know the velocity it's moving. Here's the trick. Total energy. Right at the top. Total energy. That's just the sum of all energies. That's the sum of kinetic energy plus the sum of gravitational potential energy. So all I need to do, actually, do a little algebra. I can take the total energy that I calculated before, 0.4312 joules, and I can just subtract. This is cool. I can just subtract this by the gravitational potential energy I just calculated, 0.3136 joules, and I get my kinetic energy. Alright, so let's do that real fast. What's my kinetic energy? Alright, so let's type that in. 0.4312 minus 0.3136, and this is the difference. What I'm left with, this is my kinetic energy. It is 0.1176 joules. So hey, look at that. Calculated my kinetic energy as simple as subtraction. 0.1176 joules, and please make note that these two numbers, for gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy, those two added together are equal to our total energy, because the law of conservation of energy states that it must remain the same or unchanged. It always adds up. It is not created nor destroyed. So that, folks, is how you calculate gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy based on the law of conservation of energy. You've got one more video left. Hang in there. Thank you.